So what we're demoing here in the Smart Things area is how we are going to start introducing the Smart Things Hub built into our new 2022 TV lineup and our new 2022 Samsung Smart Monitors. So for the customer that's never used the Samsung SmartThings app, that's okay. If you upgrade your TV later this year, you will get the SmartThings app and the SmartThings Hub built into the TV. And what that means is when you turn on the TV and you set it up to your at-home Wi-Fi, it will start detecting all the smart appliances that you have already in your household. And thanks to the partnerships we have with all the different brands of smart appliances, we can then put it all together under one umbrella and control it with a click of your TV remote. So if I'm ready to call it a day, I want to go to sleep, you hit the good night scenario, which you could create and customize to your own liking. It will control all the lights. We even have the blinds from IKEA. The lights are from Philips Hue. All of that is controlled under the SmartThings app, which is pre-programmed into your TV. Then, when we're ready to start the day, or you get an interruption, we are having a partnership with the Ring doorbell, to where this gets pushed, and I already turned everything off. You get a pop-up of who is at your door this late at night, and you can even talk to them through the TV as well. Start the day, turn everything back on, get the blinds back up, all of that multiple different things. It can be water, it can be soda. So one thing that we have is something called Smartthings Cooking. This is built in directly into the SmartThings application. It's under the Life section. And the first time you open this up, it'll actually ask you a few different questions about the type of food that you like to eat, the type of food you like to cook, if you have any different dietary restrictions, anything like that. And once you set up a profile, it gives you a curated list of different recipes that will follow within those guidelines. Now, the other cool thing about this is that it does also include the ability for you to go in and send instructions directly into your actual SmartThings capable appliances inside of your kitchen here. So this is an example of one of those recipes. It tells me the ingredients that I need, and it also is scalable based off how many servings you would like to cook. I can go ahead and add these ingredients to my shopping list, or I can also purchase them online if I don't want to even leave the house, which is awesome. And then once I go ahead and start that process, depending on the recipe that I choose here, I'm actually going to choose this one because it does include instructions for the range over here. We're going to go ahead and hit send to oven, and then what we can do is send the instructions for this particular recipe directly over to our connected range. You're going to see that those instructions are preloaded into the oven, and all I have to do is press to start. You cannot start the oven from the phone, and that's a safety feature to make sure that you're not doing anything that you shouldn't be doing, right? And you also get up to the second monitoring of the cooking process on side of your phone. So that means you don't even have to be in the kitchen to see where you are in the cooking process. You can add time to this if you don't think it's ready or not. And then once the cooking process is done, you'll actually get notified of that as well. So we see a notification on the watch, we see a notification on the phone. We'll also see notifications on our other connected devices, including the Family Hub refrigerator. So you have your refrigerator at the top. Big amount of space. Now a lot of people look at this and go, there's one thing missing. Where's the water dispenser, right?
Yeah.
So on the left-hand side door, you have a secret handle that you squeeze, and your beverage center is on the left-hand side. And you also have a water pitcher here that will fill. Take that around, as well as your beverage dispenser there. In the middle, you have your flex drawer that can be both a refrigerator and a freezer, depending on your needs. So if you needed to frost some food, if you have a lot of leftovers left, whatever the case may be. And then your freezer is at the bottom, which also includes your ice maker. We move that to the bottom very specifically because when you have an ice maker on the top, it's a secondary freezer. It takes a ton of room to build that, right? It's taking room away from your actual refrigeration. So this ice maker actually makes two different sizes of ice, both small and large. And this also retracts for more room at the bottom.
That's great.
Play around. That's some fun. You also do have the Family Hub, which is a full smart home integration and controller.
So your main family page is going to be fully customizable. You can add your calendar so everybody's keeping up with all current events inside the family. You can put your family photos here. You can write handwritten notes and post them here. Have some fun. Here's your entertainment hub. You can actually watch TV through our Samsung TV Plus here. You can also listen to music through Spotify, control that, browse the internet. Spotify's not the only option though. We also have Pandora, Amazon Music, and iHeartRadio integration. Here's your cooking platform. This is actually the same exact Smartthings Cooking platform we just went over on the phone. Same exact favorited recipes, same exact set of ingredients. I can go ahead and select all of my ingredients that I need to shop for, add them to the same shopping list that you have on your phone, or I can just order them online directly from my refrigerator. I don't even have to leave my kitchen. And you can set that. This is based off your zip code, so depending on the groceries around you that allow you to order from, you can use Instacart as well as Amazon Fresh for delivery as well. So really cool integration there. Once I go back to the recipe here and I start my cooking journey, you get the same really nice set of instructions here, and I can even, just like we did on the phone, send the actual instructions to our other connected items here. So I just sent the instructions for this particular recipe over to my oven here, and I'm going to start it. So I just started the oven. And once the food is done, you'll actually get notified on all your connected devices, including your handset, your smartwatch, and the family hub screen.
What is the smart home control?
Smart home control is another page. So that's all the same devices you would see in the Smartthings application based off your account in your home. And there's the update.